This is your friend Musa from Trading Machine. I hope that you all had a good weekend. Today I'm going to present you my analysis on the weekly forecast on the most volatile commodity, that is gold. As we know that last week gold was successful in breaking the key area of resistance, that was 1830 to 1832 level. It successfully broke that resistance and reached a level of 1848, and we can see that on Thursday and Friday the price fall back to a considerable amount to approx 1830 level, and now today when the market opens the price of the gold is sitting somewhere around 1836 level. So before presenting you my weekly analysis, like technical analysis, I will like to show you the fundamental analysis, like how fundamental analysis plays a critical role in deciding the price where it will reach, like price of gold where it will go through. How exactly it will look like. So on Monday, like for the USD, we are having flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. On Tuesday, we are having CB consumer confidence and Richmond manufacturing index. The most important thing that is gonna happen on Wednesday, because we have like ample of things gonna be happening on Wednesday. So I request like all of you to keep an eye on Wednesday, and like I can expect the entire forex commodity and everything will be most volatile on this coming Wednesday, because like for USD we have crude oil investments, then federal fund rate, FOMC statements, like FOMC press conference, and importantly we have like Bank of Canada monetary policy report, Bank of Canada rate statement, overnight rate. So we can expect the most out of it, and what I can say that the federal fund rate will more or less will remain the same, and the important, like we should keep an eye on the FOMC press conference, like what they express, whether they express the hawkish or the dovish thing. Like if they show a concern regarding the Omicron kind of a thing, and we can accept that the US 10-year yields to go down a bit, and if they show no concern regarding it, then we can say that US 10-year yield go up. And moreover, it is likely to expect that they are having a main meeting in the month of March. By the time they will try to retain what exactly it is, and so Wednesday will be the most deciding factor. On Thursday we are having like advanced GDP price index, core durable goods orders, unemployment claims, pending home sales, and natural gas storage. On Friday we are having core PCE price index, employment cost index, personal income, personal spendings, revised consumer sentiment, revised inflation expectations. So this is the thing that's gonna, like we should keep an eye like on each day. But the most important day will be like on Wednesday. Based on the FOMC conference, we can see whether the price of gold can go up or go down. So let's go into the gold chart. As we can see, the price of gold is like in an uptrend from couple of days, like we can say a couple of weeks, continuing an uptrend. So whether the price will continue going up or it will start falling down, before presenting my analysis I would like to give you a picture of like the dollar index, where exactly the dollar index is setting. As we can see, the present price of the dollar index is 95.7 something, and we can see that this area is offering a resistance to the dollar index. It's not letting the dollar index to go up, and if we see that if after the FOMC meeting if it comes out to be positive, then we can see that it will successfully break this level and it will try to reach to this, and if it's break this level as well. And overall if we can see that the price like dollar index is continuously in a uptrend, even though we saw the last week the price of the dollar index fall down and the gold like went up to a considerable amount. Even after the dollar index fall down, it strongly looks in an uptrend. So we see like how the Fed is gonna respond on Wednesday. So I request you to all keep an eye on that. So if the news is positive, then it can say that it will go up to this level, and if it successfully breaking this level, then it will reach to this level. And if it breaks this level, the price of like the dollar index is expected to go approx 98 kind of thing. If they show concerns regarding the Omicron and they show the hawkish movement, then we can see like see that the price of dollar index can come down to again this level around 94, and it will continuously to fall to level of 94 as well. So the meeting will play an important role in deciding the price of gold, where it will go. So now let me present you the US 10-year yield. Like, even you can see that the US 10-year yield is in an uptrend, but last week we saw like the later half of the last week we saw that the price falls down to a considerable amount, but it has not broken the trend. It is continuing the uptrend. So now after FOMC meeting, we can say that the price will try to go in an uptrend, or it will go down. If the US 10-year yield goes like it breaks this level and goes down and tries to reach this level, then the price of gold will go up. And if it's not successful in breaking this level and it break this resistance and tries to reach over here, then we can see that the price of gold will fall considerably. So this how the dollar index, the USD, like everything is interrelated. Like I will tell you like to trade like depending upon what we see. So let's get directly into the gold chart. As we can say that the price of gold is now sitting over here at 1836 level, and it has like taken a support of this level 1830 1832 level, and it's continuously taking a support. And the market is not volatile right now because it's Sunday. I think like start moving by tomorrow, and the most expected day is like on Wednesday. So as we can see, the price is continuously in uptrend, and I have marked like several support level as well and the resistance level as well. What I will show you is like what can happen in next week depending upon the news that will come out. I will show you like in the representation how we can expect. As we can see that price has successful in breaking this level. Now it's took a support over here. So now what we can accept, like based on the meeting, if the meeting comes out like it doesn't it shows concern regarding the Omicron kind of a thing, and the US yields drop and like dollar index drop, then we can say the price will confirm break this level, and it's going to reach like approx 1850 1860, or like it will going to cross 1870 1880 level as well. But on the other hand, when if we see that the dollar index is continuously in an uptrend and US yield is continuously in an uptrend, if it maintain its uptrends like US dollar index and the 10-year yield it continues its uptrend, we can say that the price of gold is likely to break this support area and go down. The first level that they can broke is approx like 1870 to 1813 level. If they are successful in breaking this level, the price of gold will try to reach this level 1800 level. And if again the uptrend continues, then we can say that the price of gold will fall significantly and it will try to reach around 1770 than 1750. So we can expect this, and I will tell you the most important thing is to trade only where you get low risk and high reward. That only can happen when you're trading on the support and resistance. So over here it's a best area like when we can look for the trade opportunities or buy or sell opportunities. But right now I'm not looking into go into the trade because I'm waiting to capture a long move in the gold, because we see that the gold is very volatile, and I would like to wait what the FOMC says about it, and depending upon the news I would like to take a long or the sell position on the gold. So this is how what we can say that the price of gold can go in the coming weeks. And based on that uptrend, if the dollar index maintains its uptrend, we can see that the gold price will fall, and even the US dollar continues to remain in an uptrend, then we can say that the price of gold will fall. Or like any confirmation that I need to share with you guys, I will surely share your gold, because I request you to keep an eye on the gold, because this area is like, unless and until the gold breaks 1830 level and closes its candle below 1830, I will say that the gold price of gold is an uptrend. If it closes below 1830 level, any candle closes below 1830 level, I will say that price has started to go in a downtrend. I will look for a sell opportunity and keeping my stop loss somewhere across like 1834 1835. And I always tell you guys to keep your any trade, like keep your risk management according to you, and never trade more than 2 to 3% of your account balance, because in order to stay longer in the market we have to be very clear in a strategy, and we have to trade in only at the support and resistance area where we can get low risk and high reward ratio. Even though if we don't make any profit out of that trade, the loss will be minimum. So if we have like 1 or 2 losses, but if you always keep on trading that way, in a longer term you will always be in a profit run, and like your account will not blown away.
That's the weekly forecast that we can accept the price of gold to make either a bearish or a bullish run depending upon the FOMC meeting. I'll be covering it in my subsequent videos when the price start to make a significant move and start to reach any other support and resistance. And in future I will be making more videos on any forex and other commodities as well. If you like my video, I do request you to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you have a good trading week. Goodbye for now. Bye bye. Take care.